All right, so today we are keeping with our lesson on manifest destiny, territorial expansion. Yesterday we did our jigsaw puzzles. We just finished them up. Today we're writing our notes. Here is the painting that we started looking at yesterday. Now, in our notes, our first thing we're going to do is we're going to define manifest destiny, and we're going to write a sentence with it. So, how do we want to define manifest destiny?
Take land from east to west coast.
Thank you. We wanted
Ordained by God.
Yes, and we said that that was what God wanted us to do. It was ordained by God. Thank you. We need to expand.
In the name of Jesus, we kill all these men.
Thank you for the dramatic interpretation. We want to expand from the east
The future Jefferson.
to the west
Who's Jefferson?
Nobody.
coast. Stay with me or I'm going to make y'all write this.
Oh.
We wanted to expand from the east to the west coast, and we said that God supported this. It was our destiny. And a sentence. Someone give me a sentence.
The Native Americans were against manifest destiny.
Thank you.
Good job, Jason.
Very good job.
I'm on it, folks.
I'm trying so hard. You know, you gotta think. You're starving.
Now, the first territorial expansion that we're going to look at is the Louisiana Purchase. Remember that we watched the video about this, and this was part of your jigsaw puzzles. So, who did we get the Louisiana Purchase from?
Napoleon.
Yes, and Napoleon's from what country?
France.
Yes, thank you. And this is important because it doubles the size of the U.S. So if you remember in the video that we watched, right, part of our issue with this was that this was part of our idea of wanting to continue going westward, and that Jefferson was concerned that we were surrounded by the British and by Spain, and he wanted us to continue to move westward. Now, the issue for President Jefferson was how to get this land, because purchasing land was not mentioned in the what?
Constitution.
Thank you. It was not mentioned in the Constitution. So he had to go against his own beliefs, his own feelings of how to interpret the Constitution, and he had to use some of the things that he had actually talked against, right, before he became president, to get this done. But he did this because he felt like it was what was best for the country.
It's a different state.
We're going to watch a video on the Louisiana Purchase. So in our notes, we've got the explanation, right? And then we've got the importance. So how do we want to explain the Louisiana Purchase? We bought it from who?
France.
Yes.
Aw, good job.
Thank you. What did we originally want? Did we originally want all of that land?
No.
Just the Mississippi River.
Right, just access to the Mississippi. Specifically, we wanted the port of New Orleans, right? So we buy it from France. How much should we pay?
15 mil.
Yes.
Whole thing, 15 minutes?
Mm-hmm. Now, it's important because it does what?
Double the size of the U.S.
Yes. It doubles the size of the U.S. and it does something with our government. It causes our government to have to use what to make that purchase?
Loose interpretation.
A loose interpretation, implied powers, yes. So the government used implied powers. to make the purchase.
Calm down.